Welcome to Crystal Clear Waters with Pro Algaecide. This specially formulated algaecide is designed to tackle all types of stubborn algae, from green and black to yellow. It is the second most concentrated algaecide in the Water Trends algae treatment series, containing 30% of the active ingredient. First, make sure any significant algae growth is cleaned up for the best results. For a newly cleaned and filled pool, use up to 24 fluid ounces of Pro Algaecide per 10,000 gallons of water. Apply Pro Algaecide near the return with the filtration system on so that it can circulate evenly throughout your pool. For weekly maintenance, we recommend using up to 9 ounces per 10,000 gallons. Allow the water to circulate for at least 8 hours. For the most effective results, circulate the water for 12 hours. We recommend waiting at least 1 hour after applying Pro Algaecide before entering the pool. Please keep in mind that everyone's sensitivity is different. Pro Algaecide, the reliable choice for crystal clear waters. If you have any questions about treating and preventing algae, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.